Okay, one thing y'all are going to discover is that I will show you how to do a lot of small things using screenshot videos like this one. This is sometimes called flipping the classroom, although it's only one element of what goes into really flipping a classroom. But what it is basically just a short way of walking you through how to do something so you can go back and rewatch it and take notes on it. Remember what I said about taking notes in class again and again sometimes until you get the idea. But this is a quick tutorial on posting to the class WordPress site. So the first thing you do is you need to go to the website, which is introsports2014welshsubs.com. But then after you get the actual URL, add a /wp-admin like that, and that will bring you to a login page. So this is a little sample account that I made up so I could see it the way you guys see it. But you type in your password and hit login. And I'm not going to save this. And you get this page right here. So this is something like what you could do for your homework assignment. I would not do the quick draft stuff right here, but instead go over to posts, click on add new, and then let's say I say this is a test post. Three things you want to take a look at here. First of all, obviously this is your headline, and you always need that, remember. Then you got the text of your post right here. And then over here, you can look at all these things. The main thing to look at is down here under categories. The announcement thing is for me. Assignments is also mostly for me. Beat posts we'll talk about on Tuesday in terms of your blogs. But then if you go down here, if you want to post something that's not really related to the class discussion or whatnot, you can categorize it as cool or random, or you can do what I'm doing right here, which is to categorize this as homework. So this is a homework blog post. And this is again what you would do for the blog post that is due on Monday night about finding the three gamers and reading the three gamers and finding three gamers of your own. So with here, what you need to do is you can just go ahead and type what you want to write. So obviously I've got this pre-written, so I'm going to add a few things for your benefit. And then the other main thing to do is to think about hyperlinks. You do want to have hyperlinks, but don't just paste in URLs like this, where they're just sort of sitting out there in the text, because that's kind of ugly and it's also hard to read. Instead, what I want you to do is write some text that identifies your link and what it's all about. So let's say that I'm copying some text from something else here. Let's say I do this and I paste it, and I want to get rid of this link here. Okay, so this is what I did is I linked to a blog post, which I'd actually recommend that you read. So let me just retype this here. This is a blog post in which I expand on the differences between fans and pros. There are several, and it's not just about not wearing logo clothes. But anyway, what you do is you select the text like this, and then go up here to this little chain looking thing, and you click that, and you paste in the URL of your link target, so it goes right there. And then people really like it when you say open link in a new window, so that it opens up in a window or a tab and doesn't go navigate somewhere else from where you are here. So you click on add link, and you see it turns the link text a different color. So we got all that. We check and make sure we've got it categorized properly, and we hit publish. And so it publishes. So let's go take a look and see what it looks like. So this is up here. Now you can see it here, or if you were to go to the site, oops, don't do that to me. If you go to the site, you see this is what pops up here on top of everything else. And so this is what I want things to look like here. And you see now we've got one homework post. So when I go through to check out what you've done, then I'll click on the homework and make sure that I see everyone else's put stuff here. So that's all this is. Just want to give you a quick update. As always,